Need a locksmith? You can trust U.S. Lock and Key to provide you with fast automotive, residential, and commercial locksmith services. Our expert technicians specialize in door locks, gates, security cameras, file cabinet locks, key duplication, and more. We also specialize in high security locks, such as multi-lock and Medico. Apartment buildings, condos, gated communities, and accounts are welcome. We are licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 818-402-4111 and ask for our 15% web discount.